my perception about GMO. Initially, I thought it's very bad. I thought bringing it to Ghana, for instance, we are not going to benefit it health-wise, okay? Because I have a couple of friends, farmers, who have been telling us, starting saving seedlings. Because the GMO that they are bringing to Ghana, very soon all seedlings will be wiped off. And we'll be consuming this, and it's going to affect our liver, our kidney, and genetic-wise. That was the perception I was having. And as a matter of fact, me being a farmer, we are trying to do that, keep seedlings. Yes. But coming to this program has enlightened me. I've realized that it's not harmful. And as a matter of fact, more education needs to be done, both in schools, tertiary schools, social media, symposium, radio stations, and TV stations. More education needs to be done. And bringing this to this country, I'm very sure is going to help our seedlings, is going to help our crops, is going to help our even food as well. And all the benefits that we need, we are going to get it as human beings.
Today, what I've learned about GMO is different from what I've heard from the public. As technology develops, our plants are modified to give us the best results. And as a result of this transformation, the genes are modified to give us better yield, resistance to the environment, and all that. So they are not, as the public usually put it, something that you should be much afraid of and are not healthy for human consumption. I think the way the team has started, from the NBA to FDA, all trying to educate us to understand what it means and putting in frameworks within which we should be operating with to inform the public as to what content of the ingredient we use that has been modified or whether we don't have it at all in our products. It's a good way to go. And the more this is done, a lot of perceptions may change. Most of the time when people don't have enough information, they mislead others. So I think that if we have the rightful authorities educating us on this GMO and how safe it is for us to consume, it will be better than leaving it to the public to mislead us. And the more they mislead us, they put fear in us, and sometimes we may be using their fear to antagonize people who are doing the right thing and providing safe food to us.
I feel incredible. The workshop was really beneficial and very eye-opening because I didn't know much about GMO. So from talking about how we make GMO through to the example given on cowpea in Ghana and also talking about the labeling guidelines, this is very, very educative. It's opened my eyes on what GMO is and how it is going to be impactful in the country. I would ask that more insights be given to the nation as a whole so that we can, moving forward, be educated and also pick our choices with this at the back of our mind.
I had no idea about GMO, but I have heard that it's a bad brand or product they bring out. But since I came here, I've seen that no, what we are hearing is different from what I learned. So we can consume GMO. And to my workshop, when I go, I'll tell them that if we see any brand with GMO, it's good to take it. So we shouldn't be scared of taking things that has GMO or any label that has GMO.